Okay, excuse me, TJ. Hi everyone, welcome back. We're playing my classic Happy Planner for the next week, which is Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone. I'm continuing the theme of just using stickers from the sticker pile that I have. But this one is like little Christmas cookies, so I thought that would be cute. So yeah. Yeah, that's where I'm gonna leave it. These are like little stickers, Miss Elizabeth's. I think you could probably still find them at like Michael's or something. But yeah, I like this. It's kind of cute. Little like Christmas baking one. So if you liked it, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you can get notified when I put out new videos. Thanks. Bye.